Hello students, good morning. Today's date is 24 September 2021 and we are learning making the multiplication table using the matchsticks. The way of forming the table which is created from matchsticks, we have to count all dots which are intersect on vertical lines. So I had shown you an activity of matchsticks, how the table is formed like this. With the help of picture in our textbook, we will write the next tables. So today we are learning making the multiplication table of 6. Now here you can see, students, how many vertical sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and this side, that is vertical sticks, horizontal sticks are there. RD, horizontal means RD, or vertical means standing. So how many vertical sticks are there? So there are 10 sticks. Okay, so first things what you have to do, write 1 to 10 number here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, then every time that 6 number will come, because number of matchsticks of vertical lines, that is 6. So here every time what will come? 6 is equal to multiply 6, multiply 6, multiply 6. That every time you have to write multiply 6, because we are making table of 6 using the matchsticks. Okay, is equal to sign. Now what is the third way, or what you have to do again? So here after writing this, पहले आपको ये सब लिखना है. That is for 1 to 10 numbers, and every time that is vertical sticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from starting this to ending, you have to write 6 every time. Now second, how you have to form the table. Now when we kept these matchsticks on, these vertical matchsticks, so how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why we wrote 1 6 are 6. Second, now number of sticks, how many sticks are there? Vertical sticks 2. From starting point to this point you have to count all the dots. Or the second way is, here 6 number is there, so add 6 in this 6. It means 6 plus 6, what you will get? 12. Okay, now each and every time you can write from starting to this point, then you will get answer. And if you are add 6 in given answer, and after addition you write the answer, that will be correct. Okay, so as you wish, which method you have to apply, or how you have to write the answer. 30, 36, 42, 48, 60. Okay, understood how we have written the table? Got it? Understood how we have written? Okay, now making the table of 7. Now here also vertical lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is vertical sticks are 7 and these are 10. So first of all what you have to do, write 1 to 10 number. Okay, then multiply symbol, and every time what will come? 7 will come, because we are forming table of 7. And after counting we will write their answer. Okay, or second way is, that is second option is, you can add 7 in given answer. that is also, it means you will get same answer. Okay, now first tick we kept here, that first tick we kept, and we will count the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now second stick. Now start counting from here to here, that is 7 are here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. How many points are there? 14. After 14, that is third stick, 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Okay, here we will write 21. Fourth stick, 21, here our answer is 21. Then after 21 what will come? 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. Okay, then after 28, 29 30 31 32 33 34 35. Okay, then 6 sticks, 35 is here, then 36 37 38 39 40 41 42. After 42, 7 sticks is there, 43 44 45 46 47 48 49. Now 8 stick is there. After 49, what we will say, students? 50 51 52 53 54 55 56. Okay, 57 58 59 60 61 62 63. 63 after 64 65 66 67 68 69 and 70. Okay, like this we have written table of 7. Now here table of 8 in yellow color. Make the table. What is the question? Make the multiplication table of 8. Okay, vertical sticks are there. How many sticks are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and number of horizontal sticks? 10. So what you have to do? 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, multiply. Every time which number will come? 8 8 8 8 8 8. Okay, every time you have to write 8 because we are making table of 8 is equal to symbol also require. And how we have to count the points? I had told you we have counted table of 7. Here you can see there are 8 points. Now second mastics when we keep, so 8 after 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, secondly you can do right counting, that is also easy. Whatever answer is there, start counting forward number, you will get your answer. Okay, and second thing is that in that answer you can every time you can add 8 number. That is also correct because after addition you will get same answer. Okay, all right. Second, multiplication table of 9. On one stick, horizontal stick, there is 9 dots. First of all, what we will do? This we will write first because every time 9 will come. That is why that we will write first. Then we will count the tables or count the dots we will count. 7 multiply 9, 7 8s are, 7 9s are is equal to 7 10s are is equal to. Okay, write this, you have to write. Then in first, that is first horizontal mastic, how many points are there? 9. One mastic is there and 9 points on that mastic. So we written here 1 multiply 9 is equal to 2. If horizontal mastics are 2, so how many points are there? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 you got answer, no? Now third mastic. 18 after what you will spell? 19, 20, 21, 20, 18 is there. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay? Like this. After 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. After 36, fifth mastic is there. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. Okay. So on fifth mastic we are counting the dots. Every time no need of counting dots from starting to till dot because it will create confusion. So better way, at the last point keep in your mind that is 36, and after 36 immediately count next number. Okay, that will be easy I think. 36 after what you will say? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay. By counting you have to write their answer, students. Okay, counting the dots. Now it is very easy. Write first 1 to 10, multiply by 10, because you know that 10, 20, 30, 40, that time you have no need of counting the dots also, because you know that what is the answer will come. The skip counting number of 10. After the tens, answer will come. Here 10 is there, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this answer will come. Or you can count the dot also, no problem. So it is your homework. Okay. Now next, here is see the table and write the products. Now we have written the tables in our textbook using the mastics. Okay. There is another also one way of saying or speaking table or reciting table. So I will say in one video of tables. So here how to solve this example I explain you, because there are 21 examples. So we will solve some example now. Now see the table and write the product. उन्होंने क्या बोला है? टेबल देखो और क्या करो? आंसर राइट करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 multiply 5. क्या बोला है उन्होंने? 3 multiply 5. तो आपको क्या करना है? 3 का टेबल देखना है. 3 का टेबल देखना है. और क्या बोला है उन्होंने? 3 multiply 5. तो देखो यहाँ पे 5 multiply 3 है, लेकिन 3 कितने बार से आया है? 5 टाइम्स. 3 5 टाइम्स आया है, तो क्या आंसर? सॉरी, 5 टाइम्स 3 आया है और 3 टाइम्स 5. और 5 3 भी करते हो तो भी आंसर सेम ही आएगा. क्या आया है इधर? 5 multiply 3 15 आया है. ओके. या तो यू कैन स्पीक टेबल ऑफ 3 का टेबल आप 5 तक बोल सकते हो, या 5 का टेबल आप 3 तक बोल सकते हो. आंसर विल बी सेम. 5 multiply 4. कहाँ पे 5 का टेबल? 5 multiply 4 आपको कहाँ पे दिख रहा है? 5 multiply 4 हमने लिखा है. यस, हियर इट इज. 5 multiply 4 क्या है आंसर? 20. तो आपको क्या करना है? टेबल लिख के ये आंसर लिखना है स्टूडेंट्स, मन से नहीं लिखने हैं. सी द टेबल एंड राइट द प्रोडक्ट्स. टेबल लिखने, जो टेबल्स हमने फॉर्म किए हैं वो लिखने के वो देखने के बाद आपको ये टेबल्स, ये आंसर्स आपको लिखना है. 6 multiply 8 कहाँ है? 6 multiply 8 6 का टेबल हमने लिखा है क्या? लेट अस चेक. हाँ, हियर 6 multiply 8. सिक्स multiply 8 48. ओके. पहले हम क्या करते हैं? टेबल रिसाइट करते हैं और फिर ये एग्जांपल्स सॉल्व करते हैं. जो सिंपल है वो लिख देते हैं पहले. 5 10 क्या आता है? 50. 4 10 40. 8 10 80. ओके. देन ये रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल्स क्या करेंगे? हम पहले एक टेबल का वीडियो लेंगे. आपको 2 का टेबल आता है ना? 2 का टेबल आता है, 3 का भी आता है आपको. सो 2 9 क्या है? 80. जो सिंपल है उसके आंसर आप पहले लिख लो. 3 का भी आता है, 3 7 21. ऑल राइट. हमने तो वैसे पूरे टेबल लिखे हैं, लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम पहले टेबल का करेंगे, उसके बाद ये सॉल्व करेंगे, है ना, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो अंडरस्टूड. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द टेबल्स एंड आई विल सेंड अ वीडियो ऑन टेबल फर्स्ट. पहले तो हम टेबल रिसाइट करेंगे, वे है टेबल रिसाइटिंग का, फिर उसके बाद ये क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे. दैट इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. मेक द मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल ऑफ 10 इज फॉर योर होमवर्क. सो प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, do your homework and complete your writing work. I will send its PDF. Okay, so bye and take care.